Renovating your kitchen with different colors, creating eye-catching contrasts. The kitchen is the heart of any home. It's where we cook, eat, and entertain. As such, it's important to make it a comfortable and welcoming space. Renovating your kitchen can help achieve this, and one way to make it stand out is by using different colors to create eye-catching contrasts. In this article, we'll explore how to renovate your kitchen with different colors and create a beautiful, vibrant space. Choose your color scheme. The first step in renovating your kitchen with different colors is to choose a color scheme. Consider the colors that you like and that will work well with your home's overall aesthetic. Some popular color schemes include monochromatic. A monochromatic color scheme involves using varying shades of one color. This can create a sophisticated and cohesive look in your kitchen. Complementary. A complementary color scheme involves using colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. For example, blue and orange, or green and red. This can create a bold and dramatic look in your kitchen. Analogous. An analogous color scheme involves using colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For example, blue and green, or red and orange. This can create a harmonious and calming look in your kitchen. Decide where to use color. Once you have your color scheme, you need to decide where to use color in your kitchen. There are a few different areas where you can add color. Cabinets. Your kitchen cabinets take up a lot of visual space, so painting them a different color can make a big impact. Walls. Painting your kitchen walls a different color can also make a big impact. Consider using a bold color on an accent wall or painting all of the walls a different color. Backsplash. Your kitchen backsplash is another area where you can add color. Consider using colorful tiles or a patterned backsplash to create a focal point. Appliances. If you're in the market for new appliances, consider choosing colorful ones to add some personality to your kitchen. Choose your colors. Now that you know where you want to add color in your kitchen, it's time to choose your colors. Here are some ideas to get you started. Monochromatic. If you're using a monochromatic color scheme, consider using a light color on the walls and a darker shade on the cabinets. This can create a sophisticated and elegant look. Complementary. If you're using a complementary color scheme, consider painting your cabinets one color and your walls another. For example, blue cabinets with orange walls or green cabinets with red walls. This can create a bold and dramatic look. Analogous. If you're using an analogous color scheme, consider using 2 or 3 colors on the cabinets and walls. For example, blue cabinets with green walls or red cabinets with orange walls. This can create a harmonious and calming look. Use accent colors. To really make your kitchen pop, consider adding accent colors. These are small pops of color that can add visual interest to your space. Here are some ideas for using accent colors. Accessories. Consider using colorful accessories like dish towels, a fruit bowl, or a vase to add pops of color to your kitchen. Upholstery. If you have chairs or stools in your kitchen, consider reupholstering them with a colorful fabric. Lighting. Use colorful pendant lights or a colorful chandelier to add some personality to your kitchen. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Finally, don't be afraid to mix and match colors in your kitchen. You don't have to stick to one color scheme or one color.